Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you the 5 best camera phone of 2026 that deliver incredible performance for the price. But there's one phone that honestly surprised me with how good it is. So make sure you watch until the end, because I'll reveal my top pick and tell you which phone offers the best value for your budget. Now, let's get started with the number 5 pick. Number 5. MIRO C67 Camera Smartphone. Color: black. Weight: not officially specified. Category: 4G Android smartphone. Review script. If you're looking for an affordable smartphone that puts a strong focus on photography, the MIRO C67 is an interesting option to consider. It combines a large display, generous storage, and a high-resolution camera setup into a budget-friendly package that's designed for everyday use. One of the biggest highlights is the camera system. It features a 50MP front camera along with a 50MP plus 2MP rear setup, making it suitable for selfies, casual photography, and short video clips. While megapixels don't guarantee professional quality images, the hardware offers plenty of detail for sharing photos on social media or capturing everyday moments. The 6.56-inch HD display gives you a comfortable amount of screen space for browsing, watching videos, and reviewing your photos. A 90Hz refresh rate also helps make scrolling feel smoother than a standard 60Hz display. Inside, you get 4GB of RAM and 128GB of built-in storage, with support for microSD expansion up to 256GB if you need more room for photos and videos. Battery life is another practical feature thanks to the 5000 mAh battery, which should provide enough power for a full day of typical use. The dual SIM capability is also convenient if you want separate numbers for work and personal use. One limitation is the HD resolution display, which isn't as sharp as full HD screens found on some higher-end phones. Overall, the MIRO C67 appears to be a solid choice for users who want an affordable smartphone with ample storage, long battery life, and cameras that are well-suited for everyday photography and content creation. Number 4. MIRO C67 4G Smartphone. Color: blue. Weight: 192G. Category: 4G Android smartphone. Review script. If you need a budget smartphone with a large display and plenty of storage options, the MIRO C67 offers a practical mix of everyday features. It isn't trying to compete with flagship devices, but it does focus on the essentials that many users care about most. The first thing that stands out is the 6.75-inch HD Plus display. It's roomy enough for watching videos, browsing social media, and reading without feeling cramped. Even with a larger screen, the phone weighs just 192 grams, so it stays comfortable to hold during longer viewing sessions. For photography, you get a 13MP AI dual rear camera and a 5MP front camera. They're designed for casual photos, video calls, and capturing everyday moments. While you shouldn't expect premium low-light performance or advanced camera features, the setup is suitable for daily use. Storage is another highlight. The phone includes 64GB of internal storage and supports microSD expansion up to 1 TB, giving you plenty of room for photos, videos, and apps over time. The 4GB of RAM is appropriate for basic multitasking, and the 4900 mAh battery is built to help you get through a typical day without constantly searching for a charger. Other practical touches include Android 14, dual SIM support, a USB-C port, face recognition, and a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is becoming less common on newer smartphones. One limitation is the HD Plus display resolution, which isn't as sharp as full HD panels found on more expensive phones. Overall, the MIRO C67 is a sensible choice for users looking for an affordable smartphone with a big screen, expandable storage, dependable battery life, and solid everyday functionality. Number 3. TELESIN Magnetic Phone Creator Kit. Color: white plus silver. Weight: 0.01 kilograms. Category: Smartphone Creator Kit. Review script. If you enjoy creating content with your phone, the TELESIN Creator Kit Bundle is designed to make filming a little easier and more comfortable. Instead of carrying several separate accessories, this kit combines a magnetic phone camera grip with a magnetic selfie light, giving you a compact setup for everyday content creation. The camera grip is one of the most useful parts of the bundle. It gives your phone a more camera-like feel when taking photos or recording videos, and the built-in wireless shutter button makes it easier to capture shots without reaching for the screen. Whether you're filming short videos, taking selfies, or recording travel moments, it adds a more natural shooting experience. The included C03 magnetic selfie light is another practical addition. It features a 360-degree adjustable design, so you can position the light where you need it most, and the built-in mirror is handy for checking your framing before you start recording. Both accessories attach magnetically, making setup quick for MagSafe-compatible iPhones, while Android users can use the included magnetic ring. The kit is also compact enough to slip into a bag, making it convenient for creators who are often on the move. One thing to keep in mind is that a tripod is not included, so you'll need to purchase one separately if you want hands-free recording. Overall, the TELESIN Creator Kit Bundle is a thoughtful accessory for mobile photographers, vloggers, and social media creators who want a portable setup with better handling and more consistent lighting. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. Color: black. Weight: 192 g. Category: 5G Android smartphone. Review script. If you're after a dependable mid-range phone that covers the essentials without feeling stripped down, the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G makes a strong first impression. It blends a large AMOLED display, long-term software support, and practical everyday features into a package that should appeal to a wide range of users. The 6.7-inch FHD Plus Super AMOLED screen is one of its biggest strengths. Colors look vibrant, text appears sharp, and it's a comfortable display for streaming videos, browsing social media, or catching up on emails. Whether you're indoors or outside, the screen provides a pleasant viewing experience. Photography is another area where the Galaxy A17 performs well for everyday use. The triple rear camera system gives you flexibility for everything from wide shots to close-up photos, while the 13MP front camera is ready for selfies and video calls. It also supports 4K video recording at up to 30 frames per second, which is a nice addition for capturing higher resolution footage. Battery life is backed by a 5000 mAh battery, and super-fast charging helps reduce downtime when it's time to recharge. You also get 128 GB of built-in storage with support for microSD cards up to 2 TB, so running out of space is less of a concern. Other highlights include Android 15 with One UI 8.0, Circle to Search with Google, an IP54-rated durable design, and Samsung's promise of 6 OS upgrades and 6 years of security updates, adding long-term value. One limitation is the 60 Hz refresh rate, which won't feel as smooth as higher refresh displays found on some competitors. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G is a well-rounded smartphone that delivers a bright display, reliable battery life, useful AI features, and excellent software support, making it a solid choice for everyday use. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy A16 4G. Color: black. Weight: 200 g. Category: 4G Android smartphone. Review script. If you want a large-screen Samsung phone without spending a premium price, the Galaxy A16 4G is an easy device to consider. It focuses on the features most people use every day, including a vibrant display, dependable battery life, and plenty of storage for apps and photos. The first thing that stands out is the 6.7-inch AMOLED display. It delivers rich colors, deep blacks, and full HD plus resolution, making everything from streaming videos to scrolling through social media look crisp and enjoyable. The 90 Hz refresh rate also helps navigation feel smoother than a standard 60 Hz screen. For photography, the Galaxy A16 includes a 50MP main camera, supported by additional lenses for added versatility. In good lighting, photos capture solid detail, while the 13MP front camera is well suited for selfies and video calls. It records up to 1080p video, which is more than enough for everyday content and sharing on social media. Battery life is another strong point. The 5000 mAh battery is built to last through a busy day, and with 128 GB of internal storage plus support for microSD cards up to 1 TB, there's plenty of room for photos, videos, and apps without worrying about running out of space. It's worth noting that this is an international 4G model. In the United States, Compatibility is limited primarily to T-Mobile and supported MVNOs, so it's important to check carrier compatibility before buying. Also, a power adapter is not included in the box. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A16 4G offers a bright AMOLED display, reliable battery life, capable cameras, and generous expandable storage, making it a solid choice for everyday communication, entertainment, and casual photography.